love with your eyes. I done fell in love. I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love with your eyes.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiara, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on a beat. Keeks with the cheeks. Kiwi, whichever one works with me. Today's video, I'm going to be doing this install. We getting a real grown lady around here. We got the jet black situation, face framing layers. Oh, she's giving. This look is giving. But yeah, this hair is from Tinashe. You guys will see all of the stuff that they sent me with the unboxing. Oh my god, it's like hair is everywhere. Anyways, you guys will see all of the unboxing and everything. And then I also talked about the hair at the end of the video. But right now, we're just gonna jump into this video because like it's just so simple. It is super cute. So yeah, let's get right into it. so we reached the end of this video. I really like the way this looks. The layers just made me feel really like really mature. I feel like a grown lady. And then of course the freaking jet black hit different for sure. This hair is from Tinashe hair again. This was their 16-inch 13x4, although I believe this was definitely a 13x6 lace. The hair performed really well. As you guys saw, I did not use any product when I was straightening the hair, which was like not like something I planned, but as you guys can see, it still gets really straight and the luster looks very good. It looks very healthy. It looks very natural. The lace is okay. I didn't use much product on the lace either. I'm out of a lot of stuff, so I wasn't able to actually go in and do what I normally do, but it still turned out really good. It's not like, you know, too noticeable, but you could definitely tell that the lace ain't really blended all the way. But yeah, as long as you have your foundation, silky mist, and all that good stuff, you'll be good to go with this install. This hair has a high density too. Like, it's super thick in the back. Like, super thick. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications. I post 3 times a week, so make sure your post notifications are on so that you're notified when I do upload. And as always, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!